That's for the video, and here is Sister. So look at this online platform. There have been one thing that I've noticed. Most of them they don't just last long in the system. You understand? Let's say they last for like 1 or 2 months and they are out of the system. And look at this online money platform. They have some with affiliate marketing and a lot of it that you can just make money online with that tactics or that ideas. Okay. But looking at this online money platform whereby you invest your amount and then later you just get an amount and then you cash out, it's all about taking risk. Let me say, yeah, it's about taking risk and knowing that it's either you lose or you gain your entire money that you just invest in there, or you just get your investment and also get profit from it. And with this even affiliate marketing platform whereby as they just register, you understand, as they just register you get some commission from it. Not all of them even works all the time. You understand? Have these two platforms, they are not paying again, okay, or even withdrawals and other things have messed up on their system. Okay, so looking at these reasons, I think online money is all about risk. It's that you lose or you gain. So let me take you through this video how you can just make money online, one way that you can just make money online, and know that it's either you win or you lose your income. And for any investments, for any next step, or for any action that you take, I am not responsible for it, because I let you know of what is ahead before you just took action. You understand? So yeah, let's dive in and let me show you more about this. Let's start. But if you haven't subscribed, you haven't like the video, and don't forget to also share the video to someone else who really want to make money online. Let's start with it. Okay, so this is the homepage of the online money platform. Okay, so when you look down here, we have the home, we have the quantify, we have the invest, we have the service, and then we have the me. So the me really shows your account, how much you have and everything. This is a new account that I just used, okay, to just show you. I don't want you to be like I've earned so much from this. Okay, so this is the platform. This is how it looks like. Okay, and when you come to the home, we have the recharge, we have the withdraw, we have the help, we have the team, whereby you know the number of your referrals and everything. Okay, and then we have the download app, and then but I wish you always log in online. Okay, log in online, don't download any app from anywhere. Okay, all right, then this is where you will make money from. We have the quantify. Come to the quantify. Okay, and please subscribe and like the video for more videos as well. Okay, I'll be more videos on how you can make money online on any other platforms that I think can work for you for some time or over time. Okay, so this is where you just select one of these options and then select how much you will make every single day. Okay, so here we have the BEP2 trading strategy, and the price is 10 USDT. Okay, so if you don't have a Binance account, just check in the comment section of the description of this video. I have a step-by-step tutorial on how you can just create a verified Binance account. And then to know more about it, I have videos that you can just watch. Everything in the description of this video. All right, so with the BEP2, okay, that's the price 10 USDT and 1.2 to 1.4 every single day. And then we have the BEP2, which is 100 USDT, and you will get 16 to 18 USDT every single day. Okay, and this reset every 6 a.m. okay, Ghana time. So per your time, you can just check up and then see. But for every 6 a.m. you get your income. Okay, so yeah, that's how it works. So they have a lot right here. You select, but I wish you start with the BEP2. Okay, and then I think a little drop of water will make a mighty ocean, rather than, you know, as I said in the beginning of this video, I've already told you a lot. Okay, so we have the invest right here, and then that one is way much bigger than the other one. So for that one, the price is 30,000 USDT. Okay, and the cycle is 30 day. You get 45%, okay, of this amount. And then we have the other ones as well. They have the services whereby you can just join their official Telegram channel for updates, and then you can just even contact their support service. You understand? And then we have the me right here showing you your recharge, okay, and then also your withdrawal right here. So when you scroll down, you will see your level 1 invite. So when you invite your friend, you get more income from it, okay, or more money from it. Okay, so let me show you something. Come to the home and then come to team, and then you can see we have the total revenue, today earnings, and then total people and new registration today. So there's where you will see your team members and every amount that you will be earning from it. Okay, so let's say you want to buy the boat one, you need to come to the home, and then you first need to recharge your account. Okay, so to know how you can just send money to a TLC20 address or any other one, yeah, as I said, check in the comments, check in the description of this video, everything is there, all the links are there for you to know how you can just do every one of them. Okay, so after recharging your account, yes, then you come to the quantify, then you click to buy, and then yes, it will be activated. Okay, so even if you don't have money in your account, the moment you click on that, then you just tap on confirm, and then you just make payments to this TRC20 address. Okay, all right, after that, just tap on recharge complete. Now let's go back again, and then let me show you one thing right here called the withdrawal. Okay, so I just tap on withdraw, and then you just paste your TRC or your Tron address right here, TRC20 address, put it right here, and then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you enter your password. Okay, so after entering your password, just tap on confirm. Okay, so you can see the handling fee right here is the number of remaining fee-free withdrawals is 100 USDT. Okay, so as you withdraw, the more you withdraw, to be a time, then the deductions will come. Okay, yes, but sure, most of the withdrawals starting with first withdrawal, and most of the withdrawals will be free. Okay, after entering everything, just tap on confirm to just withdraw from it. So this is how the online platform really works. It's just a simple platform with everything in here. So this is it, this online money platform that can really help me make money online. Okay, so please like the video and subscribe for more. If there's any question that you have, leave it in the comment section to ask any question that you have right there.